Here's Alex again. He has always wanted to study abroad and chose John Paul II Catholic University of Lublin. Now he has to carefully read the terms and complete his application. Can he actually apply? Candidates need either a diploma from secondary school or a higher education diploma. Okay, Alex prepares his high school certificate or an exit exam certificate. He also needs to have either health insurance or the European health insurance card. He prepares the documents. Because he chose studies in English, he also has to prove his proficiency in English. He can provide a B2 level or higher English certificate or a diploma from a school offering courses in English. If he were to choose studies in Polish, he would need to provide a document proving his proficiency in Polish, or take part in an interview at the university in Lublin. Maybe someday. Alex prepares the certificate. Okay, he made sure he was qualified as a candidate. Now he has to complete all the documents for the application. Diploma, check. Language certificate, check. He has to Xerox his passport. Okay, check. If he had a Polish card, he would add that to the application too. Also, if he were underage, he would have to add a parent's consent. Sounds reasonable. Okay, he's good to go. But let's make sure we know what to do in case his dream comes true and he gets accepted. He'd have to submit an application form, a copy of his diploma, legalized or with an apostille, together with a Polish version signed by a certified translator, a certified true copy of his passport, and if he had one, a Polish card. Confirmation of a copy of the passport and insurance policy can be made at the recruitment office. A certified true copy of his health insurance policy, an ID photo, and a statement that he will honor the Catholic character of the university. There are also a couple of things only required from some candidates: an opinion from the pastor or parish priest, or medical clearance. He's now sure he's got everything, and in case he forgets anything or has any problems, he just needs to go to kandidat.kul.pl. Fingers crossed for Alex. May he get the acceptance letter soon. And you? Still wondering what to do? Check what Alex loved so much. Go to kandidat.kul.pl and see if it's the right place for you. The project is financed by the Polish National Agency for Academic Exchange.